Hi friends, welcome to my channel. This is a OLED touch screen display. The standout feature is clearly the ultra-thin design. As a new competitor in the ultra-thin flagship category, this is a notable shift in the Mate series. With large 6.9 inches screen size and a sharp 1.5K resolution, all protected by a tough full-null glass too. To run on the high-end Kirin 9020 chipset with powerful octa-core CPU. There will be 12 and 16 GB of RAM and up to 512 GB of storage. There will be triple camera setup back on the phone, led by a large 50 megapixel main sensor. There will be in-display fingerprint sensor. Battery capacity will be a 6000 mAh with fast charging support, ensuring solid all-day usage. That's all for now. Friends, subscribe my channel for more latest videos. Thanks.